Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth flow of vehicles on our roads. Among them, one prominent name is Ram Puri, who has made significant contributions to the field of traffic management. With his expertise and experience, Ram Puri has become one of the most sought-after traffic surveyors in the industry. His ability to analyze traffic patterns and devise effective solutions has earned him a reputation for excellence. Ram Puri's expertise lies in designing efficient traffic management systems. His comprehensive understanding of traffic flow enables him to identify bottlenecks and congestion points, allowing him to develop strategies to alleviate these issues. Through data collection and analysis, Ram Puri can determine the optimal placement of traffic signs, signals, and road markings to enhance safety and efficiency. His meticulous attention to detail ensures that every aspect of traffic management is carefully considered, resulting in well-designed systems that benefit both drivers and pedestrians. One of Ram Puri's notable achievements is his involvement in the SCON design project. SCON Design is a renowned firm specializing in traffic management solutions, and Ram Puri's collaboration with them has yielded remarkable results. Together, they have implemented innovative strategies to improve traffic flow in various cities and regions. By conducting detailed surveys and utilizing advanced technology, they have been able to develop customized solutions that address the specific needs of each area. Ram Puri's work as a traffic surveyor goes beyond simply analyzing data and designing traffic management systems. Through regular inspections and data collection, he assesses the impact of implemented measures and identifies areas for further improvement. This ongoing evaluation ensures that the traffic management systems designed by Ram Puri continue to meet the evolving needs of the community. To ensure that traffic moves freely on our roadways, traffic surveyors are essential. Ram Puri stands out among them as someone who has significantly impacted the field of traffic management. Ram Puri has established himself as one of the most in-demand traffic surveyors in the business, thanks to his knowledge and experience. He has developed a reputation for excellence thanks to his aptitude for traffic pattern analysis and the creation of workable solutions. Traffic management system design is Ram Puri's area of competence. He can spot bottlenecks and areas of congestion thanks to his thorough awareness of traffic flow, which enables him to come up with solutions. Ram Puri can discover the best locations for traffic signs, lights, and road markings to increase efficiency and safety through data collection and analysis. Every facet of traffic management is thoroughly studied thanks to his great attention to detail, resulting in well-designed systems that are advantageous to both drivers and pedestrians. Ram Puri's role in the SCON design project is one of his noteworthy accomplishments. Ram Puri's partnership with SCON Design, a famous company that specializes in traffic management solutions, has produced outstanding outcomes.